Ever wondered what the difference really is between charging your EV at home, at a fast charger, or at a supercharger? Today, we're breaking it down: cost, speed, and what really works best for you. Let's go. Home charging is the most budget-friendly option. Using a simple wall outlet or a level 2 home charger, you can plug in overnight and wake up to a full battery. It's slow, taking up to 12 hours, but it's perfect if you drive short distances daily. Would you consider installing a home charger? Let us know in the comments. Fast chargers are the sweet spot for many EV drivers. In just 30 to 60 minutes, you can get up to 80% charge. They're found at malls, rest stops, and highways, ideal for quick top-ups during long journeys. If you've ever used a fast charger, how long did you wait? Drop your experience below. Superchargers are the kings of speed. Just 15 to 20 minutes gets you back on the road with over 200 miles of range, but speed comes at a price. Superchargers are usually the most expensive charging option. Would you pay more for speed or stick to cheaper charging? Comment below. Here's the cost breakdown. Charging at home can save you 50–70% compared to public chargers. Fast chargers cost a bit more, while superchargers are the priciest. But even at the highest rate, EV charging is still cheaper than filling up with gas. Pause and take a screenshot of the cost chart if you want to save this. Cost, convenience, and speed each has a place. The best option depends on your lifestyle. If you drive locally every day, home charging is the smartest. Home charging gives you savings and convenience for daily driving. If you're often on the road, fast or superchargers give you the convenience you need. The key is mixing both: home charging for savings, public charging for flexibility. So would you rather charge at home or on the go? Share your vote in the comments, like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more EV guides.